Okay, if everything went well, we've now got this set up correctly. So let's go back to, here we are, we're going to put in our new article or our new homework, right? So what we're going to end up doing is, let's just try this first. We've decided we don't want this tag for whatever reason. So we're going to save. Now, after we save, we want to make sure that we knit. Knitting is funny because you will see it doesn't actually produce anything, and there's a reason why. With distill, it just sort of is a blank page, but don't worry about that because you're just going to end up closing that down. It's not really a big deal. But once you have actually done this, you'll see there still is an HTML. It will be a different, what it does is it opens this index HTML, which isn't what you want. So now here we are with Git, and what we need to do is you can see that, okay, so I ended up doing all of these deletes because I was changing the names of everything. So what I want to do is go through and everything that I deleted or changed the name of, here I have all the Ds. I'm going to choose them all. Lord only knows what all of these things are, but I'm not too worried about it. I've got, this is a modification. This is a modification. So these are things that I'm going to have to update. All I do really, though, is look for the ones that are like this. I'm now going to commit. I'm going to say update names and remove tag from homework 2. Now, if you have a few commits in a row, you can actually amend the previous content of the tag. In my case, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to hit commit. Great. It seems like it did everything. It did all these deletes. It did everything correctly that I wanted it to. Oh, this somehow or another still should have been a delete, but didn't get committed. So this is a good example. I'm going to go here. I'm just going to amend a previous function. There you go. It added it in with the others, and now it's all part of the same thing. Now, again, what I'm going to have to do is, because I've already done all the pulling, I'm going to do the pushing. So I'm going to put it back out to this. Now, for some reason, it's still got, it's taking, this is the remote, and it says it's going to this HTTPS. I need to switch this. I've got to figure out exactly why that's not working. But in your case, that wouldn't be doing this because you would have everything set up from the beginning. What this means is that once it gets up, we will now be able to see it. Now, I'm going to quickly show you that in our case, I actually, from my end, I would have to quickly go through and build the website before pushing it out again, and then you would actually see that. So you won't see it unless you go through the step of building the website. So if you build it, oh, look at this. Han set up everything really nicely. We've got our little DAX over here, and he's changed things so that you can look at them very, very nicely. They look very, very cool. And there we go. Very nice. So this is what it's going to look like, and if you guys put up some things, then we're going to see how it actually goes. Oh, well, I like the way he did this thing, though. Okay, thanks, guys.